there was very strong and serious allegations regarding the misappropriation of gold committed under the guise of plating gold at the idols of Dwarapalaga in front of the sanctum sanctorium of Shabarimala temple. Srivan Unnikrishnan Posti is the main culprit. Others are also involved in this case. The extent of misappropriation was so huge, but the attitude of the Devasam board and the government was so passive. So the High Court of Kerala so moto initiated proceedings to know what are exactly happened behind these things. At this juncture, I have filed a writ petition through Sri R. Rajendran, an advocate practicing before the District Court Kollam. The writ petition number is 36887 of 2025. The main prayer in this case is that the investigation of the case is to be entrusted with the Central Bureau of Investigation. The first prayer is that a crime is to be registered immediately. At the instance of the Honorable High Court of Kerala, 2 crimes had been registered now, and the investigation is being conducted by the Crime Branch of the Kerala. Our prayer is that the persons involved in this crime are not only from Kerala but also from the outside Kerala as well. The culprits are highly influential and holding high position in the states. So a fruitful and fair investigation, the Central Bureau of Investigation is a must. So we hope that the investigation of this case would be entrusted by the Honorable High Court with the Central Bureau of Investigation.